How to make a professional thumbnail for YouTube videos. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can build your own professional thumbnails. So let's get into it. Now to get started, we will be only using two tools. First off, we are going to be using Canva, and then we're also going to be using this other tool called remove.bg, remove background. So these are the two tools that you would need to build your own thumbnail. It is super easy and simple, and you don't have to pay for anything. You just have to create your account on Canva via your email address, and that is it. So once you have headed on over to Canva and you have created your account simply by signing up, you're just going to go into your search bar over here. So over here, you can just search for YouTube thumbnail, and this will give you multiple different thumbnail designs that you can pick out from. So you can pick out any kind of design template over here, and from here you can customize that template, or you can even click on create a blank YouTube template. So that is totally up to you. You can easily find different templates from different niches of YouTube. So you can see over here, you have a fitness template, you also have this mobile template, you have, all of the basic templates that you would usually find, you would usually need for food, fitness, beauty, tech, and so much more. All of those are available over here. So you can see we have so many different template options that we can pick out from, and we're just going to browse around to see which one that we want. So let's say I want to use this template over here. So first off, what you might be wondering, hey, how do I put my own image? Because obviously I don't want to use the image of another person. Well, it's very simple. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove this image, and instead we want to put in our own image. So what I'm going to do is actually I'm going to go on to becktz.com, and from here I'm going to go and search for photos. So I'm just going to search for a woman over here. And I just want to take a simple image of a woman. So I just want a simple image because I am going to be showing you how to add the image onto your thumbnail. So I'm just going to take this image over here. I'm going to click on free download. And you're obviously going to upload your own image that you want to use for your YouTube thumbnail. I'm just downloading this as a sample. Now, once you have your image, you're just going to go on over to remove.bg, which is a background removing tool. And you're going to click on remove background. You're going to click on upload image, and you're just going to upload the image that you want to remove the background from. And we are just uploading our image over here. So we're just going to wait for this to be uploaded, and now you can see the background has been removed. So this is how simple and easy it is to remove a background. You can take any image and remove the background, and now you're just going to click on download. And once you have downloaded it, you're going to go on to canva.com. And you can see on the left side of your screen, you have uploads. So over here, you're just going to upload your file. And I'm just dragging and dropping it. You can just click on upload file and select the file. And now I'm just going to take this image over here. And you can see that my image has been created. It is without a background, and I can just expand it like so. And I'm just going to place it over here. And let's say that I want to change this thumbnail up a bit. You're going to enter the text that you want. So maybe the YouTube title or text that I want is something along the lines of how to have the best style or style etiquette or something like that. Whatever is the title of your YouTube video, you're just going to input that over here. So you're just going to select the text and you're just going to change it. So I'm just going to select the text over here, and the title specifically that I want it to be are 10 elegance tips. So once I have placed the text, I'm just going to resize some of the text over here so it fits a little better. And what I'm just going to do is I'm just resizing the text like so. So it all aligns a little better into the blocks. You can obviously change the size and style of the block as well. That is totally up to you, but I'm just going to fix up some of the alignments over here. And once I have done that, I'm just going to make this block a little larger because the text in it is a bit longer. And I'm just going to place it over here like so. And then I'm going to change the background. So maybe I want the background to be a bit more feminine. So for that, first off, I'm going to just click on the background, and you can see on your top left, you have the color of the background. So I'm going to make it white, and then I'm going to click on document colors. And then I'm just going to select pink, and I'm just going to make it like a light pink kind of color. And then I'm going to remove this little icon over here, the 100% verified one. So I'm just going to select and delete. and I'm just going to resize this over here. And what I want to do, maybe I want to put in my own logo, so you can upload your own YouTube channel thumbnail or logo, or let's say we want to change the background and make it a bit more, classy. So for that, what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to search for pink watercolor. So just like that, you can see I have searched for pink watercolor, and I'm just going to click on send backward or send to the back. So this is right at the back, and I'm just going to expand it, and I'm going to click on send to back, so it's behind all of the items like so. And I'm just going to click on see all, and I'm just going to take a few little blotches of these, and I'm going to click on send to back, so it looks a little bit more textured and refined instead of just a plain pink background. So this will actually help your video, look a little better. It will give your background some more depth instead of just being one plain color, which can often look a bit boring. So once I have placed that, I'm going to click on elements once more. You can add any framing you want. You can also add your YouTube logo. If you have an image as your YouTube logo, then you can also place the image in the form of a grid. So you can just click on grid in the elements section, and you will get multiple different grids, and you can fit the image into that specific grid. So this will help you in better aligning your photos or your logos that are saved as photos. So this is how simple and easy it is to make a professional thumbnail for YouTube videos using just 2 tools. Once you have designed your thumbnail, you're just going to click on share on the top right over here. Once you click on share, you can click on download, and then you can download this as a JPEG, as a PNG. So I'm just going to click on download. And now my image is downloading. This is absolutely free. You don't have to pay for anything, and you have a very good thumbnail over here. You can see the resolution is super nice, and you have a simple tool that you can use to customize all of your thumbnails as well. And it's super easy to get started with a template, as well as getting started from scratch is super easy on Canva as well. So if you want to get started from scratch, you can also do that, because they do have, a lot of different templates, or a lot of different, elements that are available that you can use to create your own thumbnails that are going to help you in making it super customized and super unique for your YouTube channel. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video. And make sure to also share this video with your friends and family, and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything, and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.